The third day of my trading day with this prop firm, so I'm waiting for 9:30 to begin. The price made equal lows down here, almost or relatively equal lows, and respected discount. It started expanding up. Let's see the time. So at midnight it was consolidating until 2 a.m. It expanded up, a Judas swing, expanded down, took lows. All these low resistance liquidities have been ran through and made equal lows and provided liquidity down here until 5 a.m. Then it went bullish, expanded up and reached this buy side objective. So let's see in higher time frames to see what was its target. There is no old highs other than this close by high right here, so it took this high. What we know is that it already has reached its objective, its buy side objective, and there are low resistance liquidities down there, so I have a bullish bias, bearish bias. I'm looking for sell side to be taken. We have to know when the price will reach out to lower prices for these liquidities and when will it reach out for these liquidities in buy side. So I also want to mention that this is big news. There was two big impact news at 8:30 which made this very bullish candle, and the price has been consolidating from that time. The other thing I want to note here is that there is this opening new day that I should note here, and so I noted the new day opening gap, which is lower, almost near these equal lows. And the other thing I wanted to note is that the price is very symmetrical. So the same thing that's happening in NASDAQ is happening in Dow Jones, and it's happening in S&P, and it's also let's check out the XY. Yes, the XY is bearish while the indices are bullish, so the price is very symmetrical. So I've explained why I think there is liquidity in sell side and why there's liquidity in buy side, but it can go both ways. I'm seeing possibility for the price to take this and take that, so basically I have no idea what's going on, and that means I have to wait for the price to give me more data so I can actually determine my bias. So right now I'm not going to take any trade and I have no bias. So I checked out other markets like Dow Jones being bearish, S&P also very bearish, and the fact that NASDAQ it already reached its buy side objective, and I've decided, based on this data, I have a bearish bias and I want to sell this price. So here is my prop firm account, and something happened to my phone, so I couldn't intertrade here. I came to the chart very late and it already is expanding down and I lost my entry, but I will wait for another entry. It always gives, not always, but it's possible for it to give me another entry. I don't want to intertrade with a bad entry. So the price reached my objective very quickly. My objective is actually this, from this to here, the equilibrium between these two levels, but I'm going to keep my trade on for this, which is the beginning of the news, but I'm still going to take some partials off. I'm going to take 3 partials off. So the price reached my objective here, but yes, I didn't take this trade with my prop firm account, and it was because I was recording. So I would take it if I wasn't recording, but it doesn't matter anyway. It's just another trade.